Thanks for coming back to watch my video. It's Eric Bakker, the naturopath. Can too much sugar affect your gut? It can wreck your gut, in fact. Sugar, as you probably have realized by now, is highly addictive. In fact, when you start hitting that 7 teaspoons a day, sort of level, it can get pretty bad. I know some people are so addicted to sugar, it's almost impossible for them to come off it. Sugar has shown addictive quality like narcotics. That's how strong it is for some people. Okay, but I can assure you, once you get through that detox phase, okay, with sugar, and you overcome the shakes and sweats and all that kind of stuff, no, you don't get that when you cut sugar out. But the point I'm making is once you get over, that craving stage and you divorce yourself from sugar, you won't really want to put it in your food anymore, especially when you merge and slowly go into a more of a fruit intake. Sugar can wreck your gut in many ways. So it's also shown that when you hit over about 7 teaspoons, about a can of Coke, when you hit that, take that in, the body can't really process all that amount of sugar properly, so a lot of it will eventually escape through to the colon, to the large intestine, where you're going to get bloating and gas and fermentation, but also that sugar that comes through that hasn't been digested properly will also prevent the good bacteria from sticking to the colon wall. So this reduces the bifido count. Your bifidobacteria go down and down and down, and this is when you get more fatigued, and I believe it also adds to the addiction cycle. You want more sugar because you get more tired, so you go back to the candy, you go back to the ice cream, you go back to whatever it is that you like, and every so many hours you're having another sugar hit. And if this is you might want to do something about it, because you'll end up in dire straits. Sugar will mess you up. It has got a high addictive quality about it, but it makes people feel good. That's the thing. So maybe you need to do some other things in your life that make you feel good, or look at other kind of foods that haven't got that strong addictive quality about them. Often replacing one sugar for another is enough to get you away from that bad stuff. So try and identify what sugars you have in your life. I find honey to be a very agreeable sugar for me. I suppose because I'm a beekeeper, but refined sugar, not good. It'll wreck your gut. It'll mess it up really bad. It's just not worth it in the long run. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, if you want my free report, click on the link in the description box. Thank you.